Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A partnership's required tax year is December 31st. If wants to elect a September 30th tax year under section 444, which statement is correct? So we have a partnership and their normal year is the calendar year, December 31st. If they want to elect September 30th, which statement is correct here? The election is not allowed because section 444 applies only to S corporation. That's not true. Section 444 applies to all pass-through entities, S corporation, partnership, and personal service companies. The election is allowed because the deferral period is 3 months, which is within the maximum permitted limit. Is that true? And the answer is yes. First, it is allowed. It's a pass-through entities, and it has to be 3 months. So if we go from September 31st to September 30th, it's only 3 months. So between A and B, I'm going to keep B for now. The election is allowed only if the partnership prove a substantial business purpose. No, if you could prove a substantial business purpose, you will go with Form 1128 and you have a business purpose. Section 444 is a non-business purpose. You did it just for convenience. The election is not allowed. No, the election is allowed. So we could just cross this one out. If you are working this MCQ on Farhat Lectures, you can ask AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ for you. Here's what I'm going to tell you. Whether you are a CPA exam candidate, enrolled agent, accounting student, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Don't shortchange yourself. Study hard and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.